Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I just got in the new DB set and BU set. So it's the new Achilles. There's the back. It's Zest Achilles. So Zest Achilles Zest. Four in what's the name? Illegal Quanta Dash. And then Chain Phoenix and Phoenix and Chain 2 Fortunist and Middle Never, and then Ragnarok Hollow 1D, and then we can get the new disc piece. So yeah, brand new box. So I'm not sure what I'm going to get. Hopefully I get one of the rare ones. I do have Divine Belial, so I can put the new piece for that. The A driver, or A thing. And it is okay, it's the normal one. So yeah, I will be putting the stickers in next time, so make it a bit quicker. Yeah. Okay. Now I have 3 of these. Now, yeah. 34 on it. So. Let's go with the other ones. Okay. There we go. Let me throw this in the box. But yeah. Real excited to get this. So let's get into these guys. I crammed it. Oh god. No. Shit. Let's get this off camera. It's gonna be easier. Yep. Good. There we go. Got that one done off camera. Sorry about that. Whoa. Butter soft. Sharp, I meant to say. Okay, so let's get into it. Here's the actual coin and part. Here's the A. Ooh, can't wait to get this guy on there. So it actually, it's all plastic. So nope. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh jeez. Let's just rock the floor in there for you guys so you can see it. That's why. So yeah, it's 2 out of oh jeez, yeah, 2 out of 3. I mean 2 out of 4 new parts to it. So yeah, we're really counting to see what these guys can do with this one and get another perfect Belial Beyblade. Hopefully it's as good as Perfect Dynamite. I think I have another one of these guys. But yeah, I can just put my extra one on here. So yeah, I just need. I might know where it is. So yeah. I'm gonna check because I probably tossed it in here. Yeah, I did. So, oh geez, for right now. So yeah, oh geez. So, what it fully looks like so far. Can't wait to see. And before you say anything, I do have the other chain. These guys still. I haven't taken them apart yet. But yeah, no, I have all. So yeah, so I don't think I don't have a lot of parts. I do have a lot of parts. I've just been kind of doing other things right now. But yeah, let's get into the main one. So yeah. Okay, let's check out chain. Phoenix, then the Phoenix layer. Another, I'm not sure it's competitive or not. I haven't done competitive in a while, so chain. But yeah, there we go. But let's get into the main course of action. So yeah, here's the new Achilles. Illegal. And Quanta. Oh, just very annoying. Okay, there we go. Like 48 different, yeah, parts. Yeah, definitely. Can't wait to see what this does. Then right spin. I think left spin. But yeah. I'm happy that Achilles gets the right spin. And left spin. Because Achilles is one of my favorite characters. And now he has a new evolution. So yeah. Probably will do a update on main characters for right now. On this guy, so Achilles looks really good. Let's switch into left spin, see what this guy does. Oh, okay. Sorry about this, guys. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's giving me problems, but I will change in the next battle with these guys, so really can't wait to do some battles with these guys. So this makes 5 and BU bays. So number 1, number 2, 3. So yeah, BU bays are doing pretty well. Got some cool characters, like, of course, the main 2 characters. So 4 of the 6 main characters have burst. has a new upgrade. So yeah. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.